AGBA stock tomorrow. Am I buying? Watch this short 1 minute video till the end for a surprise and also to find out whether I'm buying or not. So we're sitting at 241. When I say I'm bullish, it doesn't automatically mean that I'm buying. Context, I'm using my strategy and system that's previously given me thousands of wins in 2023. And looking at AGBA Group Holding Limited, this is exactly how I would approach this. So only, I'm not really inside of any bullish opportunities here. Let me just draw this a little bit better. Only if the price pulls back below that line and then gives me the rules here or below, only then I'm taking it higher. That means that if it just goes without me here, I'm not in a trade. But then I'm obviously going to keep you updated if it gives me the rules otherwise. Obviously, don't listen to me. This is not financial advice, and all I'm doing here is just following my strategy and system that's previously given me thousands of wins 2023. So check the first link in the description for my ultimate course of everything I've learned after 4 years of spending thousands of dollars on courses myself for absolutely free.